Hey everybody, on this video we have a master lock, storage locker lock. It's a model M50XKAD. It's still in the package here. And so our key looks like. And there's a key code on there too, so we can, after we pick and decode it here, we can actually run that through lock codes and just verify it. So we'll see here if we can get this guy picked here. Get a tool in there, apply some tension, and just go look for a binder. And one is binding. Let's click on one. Okay, 2 is binding. Click on 2. And looks like 3 is binding. Click on 3. And 4 is binding, and we are open. So now that we're picked here, zoom out real quick. So we'll see what we're picked, and now we can actually should be able to actually decode the lock as well from here. So head over to 1. We got looks like a 2, 4, 5, and it looks to be a 2. So 2, 4, 5, 2. And run the code through lock codes here, and I'll post the picture on the screen just to confirm that we did get an accurate reading on it. And as always, questions or comments, just put them in the comments. I try to answer pretty much everything. And if you like this stuff, subscribe. And pretty much all we got for this one, so we'll just end it there, and we'll talk to everybody later.